Alrighty, there we go.
Tell them Breaking Bad. You guys like that? Oh, you don't tell me early to the tree. Yeah, and we're like addicted to it. I'm confused.
This is Petey, the brindle with Stoli. In her elegant black evening gear here.
Right. Oh, you didn't come in it.
Bee's in the background. She's a little old lady that doesn't really want to play.
Discs or whatever? Okay, so you're the next one.
Going to go say hi. Where's Stoli? There she is.
I'm still trying to figure yeah. Yeah. So we love it, and I was going to ask you if you had it, so I was going to give you this. So, anyway, so the problem is, I'll be home, and then Paul will come from work and say, ready, because we want to watch the episode together. So I'm like, oh, I know. Sometimes it's 3 in the morning, and I'm like, Paul, I need to get up at 7. I can't watch any more of these.
Steph and I did that with
Look at this. Look at this.
Game of Thrones.
Oh, that's next on our list. Good. Okay.
That was awesome. And I watched one after the other. And that's 45 minutes. And she watches family. And sometimes we watch family.
I'm videoing here.